viewers, I am Roshan from Japnoor Travel. As I recently discussed about the St. Lawrence Alpha College in my recent video. So today I am gonna discuss about the USA's best university, which is Central Michigan University. It is in the Michigan province and you can find Indiana and Ohio provinces near it. Its success rate is around 77% and it has 3 campuses. Students can start their study with the undergraduate, graduate and even with the postgraduate courses. So now I'm gonna discuss about the courses. So there is some courses options like accounting, business administration, computer science, engineering, early childhood development and learning, event management, human resources management, research administration, project management, and computer science. You can start your study with the master's degree also, like Master of Health Administration, Master of Science, Master of Business Administration, and so on. But in some cases, student can apply without IELTS also. So student who have a plan to study abroad, they can visit our office, which is in Jalandhar, and they can get answer about their inquiries at our on-screen number 98518 98518. Thank you so much.